Samsung is gearing up for a big year in the foldable smartphone market. As we inch closer to the expected July launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, fresh reports from South Korea suggest that Samsung will kick off mass production of these devices by May. That's right. Production lines are about to get busy as Samsung Display and Samsung Electronics prepare to bring the next generation of foldables to life. Now, if you're wondering how this all comes together, here's the scoop. Samsung Display, the company responsible for producing the foldable OLED panels used in the Z Fold and Z Flip series, has already started manufacturing displays for the new models. Once these panels are ready, they'll be shipped off to Samsung Electronics, which is expected to begin final assembly in May. Interestingly, both Samsung Display and Samsung Electronics operate factories in Vietnam. This is where most Samsung phones, including the foldables, are manufactured before being shipped globally. So if you're in the US, Europe, or anywhere else, chances are your Galaxy phone was made in Vietnam. What makes this year especially exciting is that Samsung might not just stop at the usual fold and flip models. Rumors have been swirling about the introduction of a new, more budget-friendly foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip FE. This fan edition model is expected to offer a similar clamshell experience to the Galaxy Z Flip 7, but at a more affordable price point. However, the timing of the Flip FE's release is still a bit of a mystery. While the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are both slated for a July launch, Samsung may decide to delay the launch of the FE model to avoid overlapping sales. After all, if consumers have the choice between a premium model and a cheaper alternative at the same time, it could potentially hurt sales of the higher-end Z Flip 7. According to the latest report, Samsung may be eyeing the fourth quarter of this year for the Galaxy Z Flip FE launch, possibly around October or November. This staggered release strategy could allow Samsung to capture two waves of consumer interest, first with the high-end models in July, and then again later in the year with the more affordable FE variant. Another interesting detail of the foldable story is Samsung's work on a trifold device. Yes, a phone that folds not just once, but twice. While this futuristic device has been in development for some time, it's still unclear whether it will make its debut in 2025. For now, all signs point to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 taking center stage this summer. This upcoming launch marks another big step for Samsung in maintaining its dominance in the foldable market. With other competitors slowly entering the foldable space, Samsung seems determined to stay one step ahead, not just with hardware improvements, but also by expanding its product lineup to cater to more price points. We can expect the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 to come with incremental but meaningful upgrades. While the full spec sheets haven't been officially revealed yet, improvements in display durability, hinge mechanisms, battery life, and software enhancements with Galaxy AI are highly anticipated. After all, Samsung has been refining its foldable technology for years, and 2025 is expected to showcase the most polished versions of these devices yet. So, to sum it all up, Samsung is set to begin mass production of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 in May, with a launch expected in July. There's a good chance we'll also see a more affordable Galaxy Z Flip FE, but that model could launch a few months later, possibly in the last quarter of the year. And while a tri-foldable phone is still in the works, its release timeline remains uncertain. One thing is clear though, Samsung isn't slowing down. Whether you're a fan of the Fold's productivity-focused design or the Flip's compact style, or you are someone looking to enter the foldable scene without breaking the bank, Samsung seems to be preparing something for everyone. Stay tuned, because the foldable future is unfolding faster than ever.